Not only did this SUV driver cut in front of this driver, but he also ran a red light seconds later. What do you think about this driver? This cyclist argued with a driver moments before. When the cyclist caught up to him at the traffic lights, the situation escalated quickly.
What'd you say? I didn't hear you. What'd you say? I'm supposed to be on the road. Should have rode. You. I'm allowed to be on the road. Girl, man. Go suck your. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, you gotta chill, bro. You should go to Cyclist, man. Go on your way, bro.
오빠 우리 애들 있어 애들 제발.
While riding around on his ATV, a biker encountered an angry Karen who wasn't happy with him driving around. Check it out.
I was going to get the mail. I thought you said you could.
No, you can't. Unless you have a driver's license and liability insurance on this thing. Do you have a driver's license?
No, but I got 4 of those.
You want me to call the cops or no?
Okay.
I
thought you guys said I could go get the mail.
You can't.
Oh.
Okay, I already got a complaint, that's why I'm over here. So what I'd like you to do is not drive it in and out of here.
Okay. Well,
Okay?
oh.
And I don't want, what it is you can drive it if you're driving into a trail. But to go in and out of the other part.
Well, there is no trail here, but
I know that's so in other words, then you'd have to trail it.
yeah.
And I'm not trying to be a jerk or anything. But
No, I know.
I
I
get
get it.
complaints all the time, okay?
I know, and it really bugged me yesterday because there's a dude like ripping through here, like driving all around. Yeah, he was on like a red one. He went over, I think it was either that house or that house, and he was like ripping through here. He was like speeding.
If you do that, call me right away, okay?
Okay.
Thanks.
I told my dad, and it kind of bugged me, you know?
Yeah, call. I don't.
This is reason why you should never go over posted speed limit. After a reckless driver ran a stop sign, causing an accident seconds later, he even ran away from the scene. What do you think about this guy? This driver ran a stop sign, and then this happened.
Oh, man. Damn, man.
Oh!
One driver yielded right into this driver's lane and caused an accident. Check it out. After one driver pulled onto the road dangerously, he nearly collided with a semi-truck. Check out how this driver nearly caused a collision by trying to change lanes without looking at his mirrors.
At about 5 p.m., Garrett's neighbors Sean Hall and Marissa Vogel, who lived in the same building, were watching Dexter when they heard a loud bang from across the hall. Through the walls, they could hear muffled cries of a child saying no and help. It sounded urgent.
Careless driver decided to turn left without paying attention to oncoming traffic. He drove straight into another car, causing a horrific accident. Fortunately, no one was injured.
What?
This truck driver was so unlucky that his tire exploded.
What the fuck happened, man?
Why do some people behave like this on the road? Check it out to see what I'm talking about.
Lane, and right here, dude almost lost his life.
wanted to change lanes but didn't activate his turn signals or check his mirrors, almost causing a collision. After a careless Audi driver cut in front of this driver, he got mad because the driver honked at him. He started flipping him off and telling him to pull over. Check it out.
Down to 40, 28, 25.
Goddamn bitch.